ఇంత అవసరం లేదు, just one line is enough. You're saying something? Managing your firm relationship with the customer. Yes, correct. Inka, any other answers? Everyone has different mindset, everyone has different brain, so each one member will have different answers. I want that answers from you, because for one question we need to have, at least we need to have multiple answers. If you prepare for interview, you need to have multiple answers for it. Interview level allowed, that is, these are the basic questions. They will ask you a question, and you know, they also know that you have learned from Google and over, but they want answers which are coming from your mind, not from the books. Okay, I want multiple answers for each question, so that's why I want everyone to answer these questions. Okay, now you need to step up and tell the answers, whether it may be wrong or right, it doesn't matter for me. Okay, I'm also student like you only, I also told a lot of wrong answers. Okay, when you speak right now, you'll able to speak at the interview level also. Okay, you will not get any fear there. If they ask you an interview question, this is very simple question for me, I know he only asking me one question, one answer, I know 5 answers for it. That confidence level will be build up. Okay, any doubts still here? 16th one, what are the benefits for using, what are the benefits of CRM? Yes, increase business profits. Okay, okay, maintaining relationship with customers. Okay, communicate with customers. Yes, correct. Next, first main priority enti business profitability. To increase business profitability, what are the benefits? It will increase our business profitability, it will deal with the customers, you will have good connection with the customers. Okay, and business growth. Okay, and growth rate will be always increases if you have good CRM, if you have good customer relationship management, then your business growth will also be increased. Okay, any doubts clear? Is Salesforce is a CRM software?
Yeah, yes.
Salesforce runs on CRM platform. Salesforce runs on CRM platform. Any doubts still here? నిన్న చెప్పిన టాపిక్ నుంచి మనం 17 క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసాం. Okay, every day whatever topic will go, you need to copy, you need to Google that topic with interview questions. Okay, అది చేశాక కూడా మీ మైండ్ లో whatever the topic you are listening na, whatever questions you are getting, write down that questions. That may be silly questions also, doesn't matter, you write down all the questions, it will be helpful for you also. Okay, I want every day I'll ask you questions, how many questions you are wrote. I want everyone to write the questions. Okay, but by that I will understand that how much concept you are getting. If you get the questions only, you will understand the concept, otherwise you won't. Okay, for example, yesterday I have taken a class for cloud computing. I know what is meant by cloud, first question, and then what are the types of clouds, I know second question. I can get like these questions. When you're listening the topic also, while going when you go to home, you try to remember all the concept and try to write the questions as much as possible. Okay, ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయని రాయండి, అది తప్పైనా పర్లేదు కరెక్ట్ అయినా పర్లేదు, ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక when you come here na, we'll discuss which question is correct and which question is wrong, this question should not be there. Okay, we'll discuss that one. Okay, this will be helpful for your interview level. Okay, till the project completion, till our class complete, admin part complete aye varaku, we need to have at least 250 questions from your side. I need at least 250 questions. I have 500 questions for. Okay, I have 500 questions, but I want you to get it questions. I'll give you all the questions for you also. Okay, everything will be same, but some questions will be different. That's all. Any doubts still here? What is meant by public? Public అంటే ఏంటి అంటే uh, where in your organization you are the only employee you are going to work. Okay, the code or the activities or the application designing or whatever the thing you are only doing and you are only accessing it. No other person is not able to access that one. That is called private. Public means it is not about the whole public who are outside of the company also, not in, it is not applicable to outside of the company. Public is applicable only to the within the organization. For example, as you are a junior analyst in one of the company, as you are a junior analyst in one of the company, you for your manager has given a task for you. Okay, you are working on the task. Okay, and whenever on second day you need to submit the task, but you are in leave. What happens? You need to submit at least. What happens? If you are not there, some other person from your side, he will go and work on it. Okay. If it is private, he cannot work it. If it is public, he can go and work it. Okay. Everything will be like this. Public means within the organization only. Okay. No other person from outside will not be able to access it. Okay. Within the organization. Okay. Any doubts here? Okay. Today we are going to start discuss one thing. Project introduction. Okay. In meanwhile, in our classes, we are going to work on one project. We are going to work on one project that is called CG sales project. I'll give you the project, just a minute. For this project, you need to ask your Yugender admin. He'll provide you all the details. Okay. Just let me log in. Sorry, it is very slow. It is taking time. Okay, I have questions like this. Okay, this is my prepared questions. Okay, everything will be like this. You can see all the questions here. I'll provide you all these questions also with answers. Okay, but from your side also you need to do these things. Any doubts still here? Okay, this is our project. Okay, in our classes, in going classes, we are going to do everything, all the tasks relating to administrator, all the tasks or all the objects or creation of profiles, creation of users, objects, everything we'll do for this project only. Okay, any doubts still here? Okay, so you can keep this project in your resume also. because I have this work, I have worked in this project. I can give you the certificate for this also. I can give you internship certificate for this. You are working in this project itself. Okay, I can give you internship certificate also. Okay, you can give this project in your resume also. Okay, see, client name is CG Power and Industry Solutions. Okay, client name is CG Power Industries and Solutions. Okay, project name is CG Sales and Service. Project name is CG Sales and Service. Okay, what is your role here? Salesforce Administrator. Okay, tools. So which tools you are using? See here, which tools you are using? We have discussed here. Lightning component framework. F/W అంటే ఏంటి అంటే ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అంటారు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, లైట్నింగ్ కాంపోనెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్, సేల్స్ఫోర్స్ లైట్నింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. సో సేల్స్ఫోర్స్ లైట్నింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ క్లాసిక్ వర్షన్, లైట్నింగ్ వర్షన్ అని చెప్పాను. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ లైట్నింగ్ వర్షన్. ఓకే, అండ్ విఎస్ కోడ్, విజువల్ ఫోర్స్ కోడ్. ఓకే, అండ్ జిఐటి, గిట్ అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రిపోజిటరీ టూల్. Okay, and ALM and sandbox and protection. Any doubts here? These tools we will see later on. Okay, what is your domain? Domain of this project enti? Retail and supply chain management. Okay, and description. So first you are working for a company. Okay, you are working for a company. You should know about that company. You are working for a company. You should know that functionality of that company first. So see here, this is the description of company. CG Power and Industry Solutions Limited, previously known as Crompton Greaves. Crompton fans idea on that? Ade idi. Okay na? Any doubts here? Okay, Crompton Greaves is an Indian multinational company. Okay, engaged in designing, manufacturing and marketing of products related to power generation, transmission and distribution based on in India. Okay, this is our company description. Okay, what is the company is doing? This is the functionality of company. What the functionalities are doing? What are the products they are creating? And you know how many products has been created by Crompton? Crompton fans, Crompton lights, geyser, Crompton coolers unnaya? Lev, geysers unnaya. Geysers also there. Okay, any doubts here? And see here. And responsibilities, these are your tasks. Meeru chese every day you will do work for the Salesforce administrator na. For this project, what are your responsibilities? What are the things you are doing? What are the things you are going to do? Everything will be there in responsibilities. Okay, see here, I have involved in development and managing SMB sales activities. Okay, and this sales is related to small medium sales business respective major LOBs like basic internet, TV, voice, smartphone cameras. Okay, involved in project user stories, grooming sessions and sprint planning sessions. These are the things I have participated. Okay, these are my responsibilities. What I am going to do? Everything will be detailed here. In this way only you need to keep in your resume. In your resume you need to mention like this: your project name,